Hi there, students. Inasmuch as and forasmuch as well. Okay, insomuch as this is a conjunction. Let's see. I think this is a phrase that frightens a lot of students, but it's not complicated. Let's see. First meaning, because of the fact that. So, in so much as you are the teacher of the students, you are responsible for their well-being, okay? Because you are their teacher, as a result of the fact that you're their teacher. The Prime Minister is responsible for the country in so much as he is the head of the political system. Okay, so in as much as you must take responsibility for your children's actions in so much as you are their parents. Okay, given that, as, because. Okay, that's really quite easy. Yeah, just use it like that. And then for inasmuch as, the other meaning, to the extent that. So your English will improve, but only inasmuch as you practice. To the degree that, to the extent that. Yeah, it's the same as insofar as, which you could use as well. It's a synonym. Okay, so inasmuch as no, let's try a different one. I will help you inasmuch as I can, to the maximum degree that I can, inasmuch as. I will help you inasmuch as you are my friend, because you are my friend. So I will, inasmuch as you're my friend, I will help you inasmuch as I can. And there you have a sentence with both meanings. Yeah? So, two meanings. Because, easy, and to the maximum extent possible. Yeah? Okay, so this is how you use them. Life in our modern society is easy in as much as you have lots of money. Okay, so to the extent that you have lots of money. Yeah, if you have more money, it makes life easier. Yeah. Okay, he is very rich in as much as his family is very wealthy and he inherited a lot of money because, as a result of. So there's no need to be frightened of these two words. I find lots of long, difficult, complicated explanations, but I think just because and to the greatest degree possible. Yeah, the project will progress in as much as the finance provided permits, to the maximum permitted by the finance, to the maximum possible by the finance. The project hasn't gone well in as much as there has been a lack of funding. Funding has not been available. Okay, so because of the fact that, or to the extent that, you can also use the phrase insofar as. Yeah, we're in for. I wouldn't. I would not be true. It would not be true to say that he had retired from work, in so much as he still does quite a number of jobs, because as a result of considering the fact that. Yeah. So it's quite warm today. in as much as it is still winter. Okay, to the extent it's warm, but only to the extent, or considering the fact that it is still winter. Yeah, and then in so much as, to the maximum degree, insofar as. I gave him the details in as much as I knew the details, to the maximum extent that I knew, but I didn't know all of them. Okay, notice, in as much as, one word. Yeah, sorry, in as much, one word, as separate, or in as much as, all separate words. Okay, now, for as much, I sort of jumped out of the way of this one. Because, since, yeah. So, yeah, he is responsible for this problem for as much as he was the leader of the team. Because you can also use it for this meaning with regard to, or so far as, to the extent of. I will help you for as much as I can. But this, I think, is very, very old-fashioned. I think it's probably obsolete now. So if you're going to use for as much, just use it meaning because, as, seeing that, given that. Okay? So, yes, your English is very good in as much as you have spent many hours studying. Okay? This is not as difficult as it looks or as it seems. Formality, in as much as. I think I'm probably going to give it 7.5 in formality. Yeah? I don't think I would use it in an informal conversation, because, or as much as, yeah, in an informal conversation. Use it in a semi-formal or formal writing. And then for as much as, I think I'm probably going to go 8.5 in formality. Use it in a very formal writing. It sounds really, really formal. Okay? And then, well, the origin, in as much as, for as much as, and it's that simple. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. In as much as, for as much as.